Hey everyone, welcome to this video. It's Anna here. So yeah, the gelatin trick has been getting a lot of attention lately, but there is something really important that most people don't mention when they talk about it. So this trick isn't about gelatin by itself. You see, it's about how this daily ritual fits into a routine that supports a lighter body pattern over time. You see, a lot of videos just repeat the same thing without explaining the real purpose behind it and how it works and all that stuff. And that's why many people get confused or think it's just another trend. You see, the reason this works for so many people around the world is because it's really simple, natural, and easy to include consistently without extreme rules or complicated steps in your day-to-day life. If you want to understand how this gelatin trick is meant to be used and why people are following it as a part of their daily routine, you can check the official website safely. If you want to see how the gelatin trick works within a routine and understand the whole context behind this method, then official access is in the video description down below and the first pinned comment, allowing you to watch safely and draw your own conclusions on how it works and if it's the right fit for you. I do recommend watching while the material is still available because detailed explanations like these are usually only accessible for a very limited time, so click the link down below to learn more. See you later. Bye.